are they really baby hairs or is it just broken edges? So I have my silk press that I just did a couple of weeks ago now. I think we're going on 2 weeks. I have not straightened my hair or re-flat ironed or anything since my last silk press video, right? But since it's getting a little old and a little crunchy, I think it's best that I take full advantage and do a ponytail. So keep watching. I do want to flat iron the back of my kitchen. I feel like just like the edge section, like right here and back here, because you want those parts to be as nice and smooth as possible. All right, so I'm gonna part back here very cautiously, flat iron the back of my hair. So make sure you comb your hair out before you even get started. I know I have to say this because some people don't really comb their hair, as in me. I hate combing my hair, so. Now I like to do my ponytails by doing 2 ponytails in 1. So what I mean is I do a ponytail in the middle and then I do a ponytail with the hair like that and put it all together. And I do that so that it's a nice smooth foundation, because sometimes if you try to grab all your hair and put it into a nice ponytail, if you're not really good with this, it might be like high right here or lumpy right here, or just not be as smooth as you can see. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna part parts that I'm gonna start off with. The parts don't have to be smooth, remember? We're just making parts just to separate the hair. If you have any clips like this, any butterfly clips or to put your hair away with. We have this midsection right here. And I want my ponytail to be like directly like right here. So wherever you put this ponytail is where your ponytail is going to be. So if you want it to be higher, put it higher from now. Spend time really smoothing your hair. Right, so our hair is parted in 3 sections. Easy enough, right? And then I'm gonna be using hairspray to hold my hair. You can use gel, you can use eco styling gel, you can use whatever gel you like, or edge control, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this hairspray. And I'm not using Gotta Be Glued because I'm using this one. It is Garnier Fructis. It's the Full and Plush Volume Hairspray, and it has extreme hold. So, and spray for dear life. While it's soaking wet, I'm gonna just use the brush to smoothen it, and then smoothen it with my hands, like, and then I'm gonna hold it with my hand very, very firmly, okay? Get a blow dryer, hold the blow dryer onto your hair. Yes, make sure it's on the highest heat, or at least warm, and then you want to just hold it and dry it until it gets firm. Whew, my arms. All right, so I feel it firming up. Now, for the inner ponytails, I'm gonna use a scrunchie. You can use a rubber band if you'd like. Just make sure that it's not anything that's bulky, because you don't want when you put this hair over this ponytail that it's looking a little bit lumpy through the ponytail. Now this part is important. If you really like your baby hairs and you want it to look amazing, cute, pull those out from now. Do not wait until you have already like sprayed all this hairspray right here and it's already firm. It's gonna be super pointless. What I'm gonna do is create the parts. And I mean, are they really baby hairs or is it just broken edges? Comb out this portion. Do something a little different. That's why I'm combing out so much. I never really leave out anything with this part of my hair, but we're already here. Okay, so what you want to do for this part is go ahead and spray. We're gonna spray heavily. Now, before you even place the blow dryer on it, make sure you're consistently brushing it back as you're like just smoothing it with your hands before you start drying it. Cause once you do that, that's the final. I'm gonna be using, I love these. I call them like, I don't know, what are they? Hook ties. I feel like these just work so much better when you're trying to do a ponytail. You don't have to worry about like pulling it in and out, possibly messing up the form and the mold that you made, all right? Smooth. brush again. Right. And then we're gonna dry. So for those that don't know how to use the hook, I don't even know if I can show you guys and explain it at the same time, but this part, this hook part, you kind of want to stick it into the hair and get it hooked, and then just bring it around town. Whew, my other hand is cramping. And do it very firmly and tightly. And this gives a really, when I say really, I mean massive, extreme hold. Like I didn't even hook it yet, and look at it. And then to fasten it, you're just going to hook it into the hair again. So I don't know if I can show you guys how it looks. Look like this. Now, some ways to make sure that your hair looks nice and slick is you can do two things. Let's spray some more, baby. I like this hairspray versus Gotta Be Glue, the Gotta Be Glue hairspray, because I feel like it does not make your hair feel like you have like it's a helmet, and it smells good. I feel like Gotta Be Glue it smells like it smells like a broken flat iron sometimes, depending on if you add heat to it, like activate it or something. I can still be laid out with little Kevin. I don't know anybody named Kevin. Spray. And then now you're gonna only use your hand to smooth it. And use the blow dryer to kind of go back with your hand. I'm gonna start doing my edges. So I'm gonna be using the Miel Edge Control. And I like it because it's not as sticky or gunky or turns white or anything like that, so it's really good if you want to just put your hair in a ponytail on a regular day. All right, so we're flipping them back. So this is how we're looking crazy. Oh my god, it's so much harder to do on real hair than it is a wig. I'm only gonna put it at the root and kind of just like issues. I like the way this ends.
I do too. I think it's because it's more curled.
No, not the ends. Apply it to put the edge control of the hair and then use the comb to go where you're going, not the brush.
Oh.
Let's just go back.
You want it back again?
Yeah, go back. Alright guys, so now I have my hair, and this is the soft shake and go from Soft Tress. Comes in 3 bundles. I'm gonna take the scrunchie and I'm gonna put it, make sure it's neatly folded, and I'll put it underneath and then put this part and just switch them. So now it's like this. And now it looks like there's one loop. The scrunchie like this. I'm gonna tie it around my ponytail. Okay, we got my real hair here, we got the weave hair. So now I'm gonna split this back in half, right? Go ahead and wrap that around your ponytail. This is so hard to do on myself. All right, so we got this here, this here. We wanna split it into 3 to make it nice and even. Now we're gonna go ahead and braid it like usual. Just make sure that each part is evenly sectioned. tail hair is sticking out, I'm just gonna tuck it in, and then I'm gonna use hairspray to just like slick. It's actually really cute. I like it. Let me get all glammed up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so tie your hair down if you get it. Wow. You know what? Cut. I didn't do my eyebrows.
Oh my god.
I'm like, something looks very light here. Alright guys, if you didn't cover your hair, like tie it down, make sure you do that before you do your makeup or at some point. And now I'm just going to take this off and reveal the final reveal. She is cute! I love it! This is so cute, Deja. So this is the finished look. This is the final look. I love it. I am here for it. It is giving what it needs to be giving. Damn it. And I love that it's still heavy. Like you see, like it's not like... I actually didn't put it in water, but if you want to, you can actually put it in water. But so thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in and watching this video. I had so much fun creating it. Love the look. It's given. It's cute. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.